Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Parchi Tech. Alright, and today I have another video for you guys. So today we're gonna talk about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, and today, as you can see in the title, is my last day with this phone. Though today is September 24th, which is the release date of the iPhone 13 lineup. What they're gonna have is we're aware that they're having the iPhone 13 mini, the iPhone 13, the regular one, the iPhone 13 Pro, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, so this is gonna be my last day with this phone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So yeah, I did a video a few months back. I've had this phone since November of 2020, and now it's September 2021. So I've had this phone for a little over 10 months. Okay, and I did a video previously, I think a couple months ago, with this battery health compared to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Okay, so the 11 Pro Max was released in 2019. Okay, September 2019 to be exact, and this one was released in November 2020. It was delayed a little bit because of the pandemic, but it was released. I got this phone on November 13, 2020. Okay, and my 11 Pro Max, I've had that for pretty roughly, I'd say over a little over 2 years. But I was having a little issue, a little debate with the 11 Pro Max compared to the 12 Pro Max at the time when I did that video with the battery health comparison. Not battery life, battery health. So pay attention to that word, health, not battery life. Okay, so my 11 Pro Max, I currently don't have that phone because I traded it last week at Best Buy for a gift card, and they offered me like $515 for the 11 Pro Max. Okay, Apple was giving 500, I got 515 at Best Buy because I was looking at the pre-orders for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and that one, Best Buy had a better deal through T-Mobile because you get an extra $100 off the phone, off the 13 Pro Max, because Apple had the phone launching for $1,099 and Best Buy had it for $1,099, and you get $100 discount, which brings that down to $999. Okay, so that was a better deal for me, and also the trading was $15 more for my 11 Pro Max. Now the trading at Best Buy for the 12 Pro Max was $790, and the trading at Best Buy that Best Buy offered me for the 12 Pro Max was $775. So that's $50 difference, and I'm getting $100 off. So that pretty much works out better for me if I do it at Best Buy. Okay, but getting back to the battery health, I've had this phone, as I said, like for 10 months, and if I go to my settings here and I go to battery health, you're gonna see that it's sitting here at 88% for the battery health. Okay, and for me that's not good because my 11 Pro Max, I traded that phone, as I said, last week at Best Buy, and it had a battery health of 97%, and I've had that phone for 2 years. Okay, and it's not even a year, it's not even a year since I've had this phone, and it's already at 88%. So keep in mind, if I had this for 2 years, I'd probably be like 70 something percent, and Apple states that 80% over 2 years is the norm for the iPhone. So this, I'm not sure if I have one with a defective battery or something, but there's other people online that I watch on YouTube that's saying that the battery health is still at 98%, 99, some even 100%. Okay, so I'm leaning to the side that it's a defective battery. But today is, as I mentioned before, today is September 24th and 2021, and the new iPhones are gonna be released today. I did do a pre-order for the 13 Pro Max, and I'm getting the graphite. Okay, so I'm gonna have the unboxing on this channel as well, so look out for that video. But I'm just giving you an update that this is gonna be my last day with this phone. because I'm gonna trade it towards the 13 Pro Max. And for me, getting 775 for my trading and the gift card that I got for my 11 Pro Max, I'm gonna have money left over on the gift card, okay, after trading this phone. So I'm not gonna pay anything for that phone. I'm actually gonna have money left back on the gift card that I got after I pay the difference for the 13 Pro Max. Okay, but other than the battery health on this phone, it's been pretty good. The 5G service works really nice. It's smooth, nice. Typical Apple phones, they're pretty smooth. Even with the 60 hertz display that everyone's saying. I don't know how Apple pulled this off, but the 60 hertz display on this phone, it's really fluid and smooth, guys. So having 120 hertz coming to the 13 Pro, it's gonna be pretty interesting, and I can't wait to see that. And also, I know it's not a huge upgrade, but as far as the battery, I saw in the announcement they said you get like 2.5 hours more than the 12 Pro Max, and I hope this time the battery health holds up better on the 13 Pro Max compared to this 12 Pro Max. Okay, but I'm just giving you an update that today is the last day with this phone for me, so you won't be seeing this phone in another video after today. We're gonna have the 13 Pro Max on the channel. I'm gonna have a bunch of cases coming for that phone that we're gonna unbox and review, so you can get some nice cases online. My cases I buy strictly from Amazon, like budget cases, nothing too expensive. So if you're a person like me who doesn't like to spend too much in cases that protects you, that you get good cases that protects your phone, then you could definitely look out for that on the channel. Okay, I already ordered some cases as we speak. I have them here, but I'm not gonna show those cases until I get the actual phone. We're gonna put it up, fit it on the phone, see how it looks, and then that way it's gonna be easier for you to make your choices. Okay, but yeah, that's it for the phone. I'm gonna call it the end of the video right here. Okay, hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the 13 Pro Max. Okay, peace. Oh, I know I said peace. You're used to hearing that on the channel, right? But before you get off, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified once I have uploads on the channel. Okay, peace.